right. Just had a good Thanksgiving dinner. I am headed to the job. Got a belly full of turkey, and I am happy.
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey, hey, hey.
Lappydog.
And I'm gonna sing a song for you.
It's Lappydog.
Tell you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing.
That's the low shoulders.
Oh, we headed to work. Shoot, I don't know what the temperature is right now. I'm sure this old heated gear is going to come in handy tonight. Or in the morning, rather. Got a ball game Friday night. Got a little bit of more work to do on that football team. What we got in the box here? Woo! Here we go. Commodore. Foothills. No, it's an Oak Ridge Turnpike. Get on down here and get ready to go get these good groceries. Try to get these last couple of days of riding in. This daggone weather about to get real crazy on us around these parts. And I like to put these bikes up and start doing my upgrades. Doing whatever I feel like I'm gonna do to them. Go ahead and get them ready for 2021. Look, I have some lights blinking on this car. Yeah, get ready for 2021. I got a lot of folks have been asking me to put them on my text list, my travel text list. I guess they see some of the trips that I've been on and might want to tag along with those slappy dogs. Well, shoot, come on. Just inbox me or something, your number, and I'll put you on the text list. I don't know if 2021 is going to be a heavy-duty travel year for me while I try to get this boy graduated high school. But I know I at least try to do at least two real good trips a year. So definitely, you know, put me on your text list and I'll see what I can do. A couple of things that I would like to do is I'm gonna ride that Chehalia Skyway, which I do that all the time. But I'm gonna stop at Indian Boundary Campground and I'm gonna do a little camping. I hadn't did any camping the last 2 years, so that's definitely something that I want to do next year. Since I won't be doing a whole lot of heavy-duty travel, maybe go to you know, down south somewhere in South Carolina, North Carolina, but you know, drop down there and do a little tent camping, maybe one night, hang out, do a little fishing, tell some stories around the campfire, do a little kumbaya, if you will, and then come on back home. I think I'm gonna take the grandkids and my son on a graduation vacation. That way everybody can get a nice long weekend or something of that nature. Key West is something that I'm thinking about really doing again. If I do it next year, that'll be 6 years straight. And I do it in October. I usually try to hit Biketoberfest, drop down to Key West, and then shoot over to Panama City for Thunder Beach. I'm not sure how that's going to work out because Biketoberfest will end on Sunday. Usually Fantasy Fest in Key West starts that Saturday, Sunday before, but it won't start until that Sunday after Biketoberfest. So you got a whole 5 days in between. So I'm either have to choose Biketoberfest or choose Key West. Key West is just a real good place to ride. I know some people say that they don't like to ride it because this Florida is a lot of straight roads, but I don't care. I live by the curves up by the Smoky Mountains, so having some straight roads is fine with me, back roads, but it's just a feel that Florida gives me, that sun, and it's almost like you in another country, riding your motorcycle, make you feel like you on a movie set, you know, riding down there, you got the palm trees, you got the ocean. Man, I just love it. So it could be straight or boring, all it want to be, but it is very exciting for me. I get all of my curve fixes riding the Dragon throughout the year, Foothills Parkway, Cherry Hollow Skyway, all those, what's that, Blue Ridge Parkway. I get all those fixes of the curves up that way. I would love to get out west, but that may be a thing that I'll do 2022. Well, I can put me a couple of 2 or 3 weeks together and disappear. So, just out here on Thanksgiving Day, rambling, easing on the crosshair to work on this holiday. And hopefully it'll be a nice, easy day. Not a whole lot of distractions, and everybody ought to be full of damn cranberry sauce and Ghibli gravy. They ought to be home, so we ought to be able to shoot across here and back. No doggone problem. But I rode the M109 today. It's a little chilly, but right now it ain't bad. I don't have my long johns on, so it's very tolerable. But I definitely will slip those on the way home. I've got my heated gloves, my battery, 7-volt battery gloves that I like to put on, so I definitely will have those lit up, and I'll shoot a video about that, you know, coming on in. But like I said, these gloves are really, really daggone warm, just the gloves. Then you add the battery with the heating element, well, you just can't get no better. So I'm on the Old Ridge Turnpike. If you can see right in there, you got the not the ocean. I wish it would, but you got the lake. It runs alongside the lake, and taking it to the job. Time to go get this money, y'all. Time to go get them groceries, so y'all can have some more hams and turkeys for Christmas. Here's how I do it, though. I'm thankful for Thanksgiving and a lot of things that people say that they're thankful for on Thanksgiving, but, you know, you got to be thankful for the things that you have, and then you got to be thankful for the things that you don't have. I know that sounds kind of crazy. Why would you be thankful for things you don't have? Well, I had a friend of mine, she told me one time that, and I couldn't understand it, and then she explained to me that, you know, she doesn't have cancer. You know, she doesn't have, you know, a whole lot of medical issues. You know, she's thankful for, you know, not having a lot of debt. I said, well, you know what, that makes a lot of sense. So I am thankful for the things that the good Lord has blessed me with, and I am thankful for the things that I don't have that may be a hindrance. So you're never too old to learn lessons. I'm trying to get, red light. I can make it. I can make it. Don't you turn on me. Woo, I ran that. So hate to get a daggum old ticket on Thanksgiving. Maybe I could give him start crying and give him one of them sob stories. Oh, I had too much cranberry dressing on my fingertips. I couldn't get to the brakes. I ate too much dressing. I couldn't reach over there. Think the police would have went for that. Old Barney fight. I doubt it too. But here he is, y'all. We getting on down here to go get this money. I'm a little early like I always am. But if you know anything about Thanksgiving, you get to eat too much of that daggum greens, boy. You got to turn them greens loose. And I believe that's what's going to have to happen. I'm going to have to release the Kraken. The collard greens are calling to be set free. Release the Kraken. Woo! Let's see how many people gonna call in today. Gonna be a rough one going home in the morning. I'm gonna definitely have to put them long johns on. I didn't bring my daggum chaps. That might be something I'll put on Saturday for sure enough. Just put my leather pants, my chaps on now. I told the guy, he said, you might want to invest yourself in a good pair of chaps. I said, oh man, I don't need no chaps. I've been doing real good without chaps for years. And he said, yeah, I understand that, but he said, why would you put a jacket on your body, but you won't put a jacket on your legs? I looked at him kind of cockeyed like, eh? And I said, well, shit. It makes a lot of sense. So why not have a jacket for your legs? So I put those chaps on, and I've been doing really, really good with them chaps traveling. I should have been had a pair, you know, and they are leather. So in the summertime, sometimes I wear my blue jean shorts, and then I put my chaps on, and it looks like I got on long pants, but they're really just chaps. But, you know, because if I go somewhere to a field meet or to a, you know, get together, and you want to put shorts on or have shorts on to walk around, all you got to do is just slap them damn chaps off her, and then you got shorts already on. So that's kind of my little routine. That's something y'all can think about that one of these days. Be like, hey, that makes sense. But yeah, if you got blue jean shorts, the chaps come all the way up your legs, so they can't tell if they're pants or shorts. But in the summertime, those chaps will kind of keep that heat off your legs, boy. I'm telling you, they keep that daggum sun off from, you know, beaming down on your leg. And if you got a hot motor like I got on this M109, it'll keep that hot motor off your leg. And you know, when you get to where you're going, just take your shoes off, pull them chaps off, and then there you are, you got shorts on. So look like there's a whole bunch of daggum trailers out here, y'all. So goodness gracious, look like we all gonna be working if this is any indication of it. Bump. Shoot, how many trailers we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 right there. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Shoot. Everybody working. If it's any indication of. Every truck is here and accounted for. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe. It sure helps my channel grow. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Peace.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm